Hi ma'am, good morning. My name is Lance Allen de Galvez and can you call me Lance? I'm from Bubulong Montisan, Ildefonso, Bulacan. I'm 19 years old. I'm graduate on San Miguel National High School with strand of Agri-Fishery Arts and I'm with honor. My hobby is playing Mobile Legends and basketball. Sometimes I use my motor to ride other city with my friends. And my father's name Alberto C. Galvez. He is a farmer. And my mother's name Maria Lourdes D.R. Galvez. She is housemaid. And I have one sibling named Alberto D.R. Galvez Jr. I choose Basi because it is one of the university in Region 3 that produce highly competent agriculture graduate students. And I choose Bachelor of Science in Agriculture because this is my first choice. And I love farming. And I want to work abroad someday.